Hello everyone, my name is Terrence and I'm here to show you my new app, Meditate-Lemniscate Mobile. I'm calling this video Chapter 0, Introduction or Quick Start. And the reason for this video is just to get you up and running as quickly as possible and to get something to draw on the screen. So to open the application, go to your apps and go to the M's, M as in Mary, and find Meditate-Lemniscate Mobile. It's abbreviated Med-Lem Mobile, and it has this icon. Click on the icon and give the app a few seconds to get started. And this is the opening screen, the main menu that you see when you open the app. Now, just to get something on the screen real quickly, like I said, go down to the draw button, and if you don't see the draw button, realize that this menu on the screen is a scrollable list of buttons. So click on the draw button, and next you have a screen that says choose interactive element. Now, just for now, we're going to leave this set to none and just click on OK. And that takes us to the drawing screen. At the top you see line loop. It also shows you lemniscate is the current equation set that we'll be plotting. You can leave line loop for now and just click on the play button. Now, this brings up a warning about epilepsy. Unfortunately, this program is very visual, and it can trigger epilepsy for people with photosensitive epilepsy. So we want you, if you do know that you have epilepsy, we want you to discontinue using the program. And if you've already purchased it, we will refund your money. Just get in touch with our support email. And otherwise, hopefully you don't have epilepsy, and you could say, would you like to continue with the display, and click on yes. Then for the first drawing, you have to wait a few seconds. And here we go. This is the drawing of the lemniscate equation set. Now when it finishes, or when you're ready for it to be finished, you just click on the stop button, which takes you back to the main menu. And then if you would like to exit the program at this point, just click on the exit button at the top. And for now, say do not save. And that closes the program. And this closes my first video tutorial, Chapter 0, Introduction or Quick Start. Thanks for watching. Bye.